Do you want your hair like this? Probably not. If you do, that's cool. But you're looking at this going, oh my gosh, how does that have so much volume in it? Well, there's a number of reasons. And I want to talk about specifically shampoos and hair products. Will they make your hair thicker? The quick answer is yes. And now, a little bit of background. I've been in the industry for probably 25 years, who knows, maybe even 26. I can't even keep track at this point. But I've worked for major companies like L'Oreal, Paul Mitchell. I've had extensive training and hands-on experience working with products, and even doing marketing with them to go over launches of new products and products that would claim to thicken their hair, and then I would use it and test it, and then I'd have to go promote it and teach it and educate stylists on these products, and I had to stand behind these claims of thickening shampoo or thickening cream or whatever. And I would say to myself, yeah, right. But sure enough, they did, right? They did. And I realized why, certain hair products do thicken your hair that are promoting that, right? Is because of the ingredients and what they're designed to do. So that's really what it comes down to. And so with any one of my products, right, even like Tidal Wave, is it going to build volume in the hair? Yes, because the sea salt, the ingredients are actually adding and activating to give your hair more lift, more volume, and more hold. So it's going to expand the hair shaft to make it fuller and thicker. And so when it comes to volumizing, when it comes to thickening, yes, the products can do that because simply of the ingredients and the formulation that's designed to do that. Like my Pure shampoo, my Pure conditioner, there's ingredients in there that are not only healthy for the scalp, but do promote thicker, healthier hair growth and help expand the hair shaft to give it a little more volume. Same thing with the volumizing shampoo that I have, which is mostly specifically targeted towards volumizing and giving your hair that thickness, simply because of the ingredients. When you see things like panthenol, that's an ingredient that is a thickening ingredient that is used. Not every single product has it, but it's an ingredient that, for example, is used for that purpose. Or anything with sunflower seed or sunflower extract. It's great for heat protection on the hair because when you think of a sunflower, it's basically sitting out there in the sun all day and nothing happens to it. So the same fundamental goes into hair products and then ingredients that, it's going to help protect color, it's going to help protect with heat, So any of my ingredients or any of my products that have and contain those things, it's a very specific reason. And all the products I've come out with, again, it's something for either volumizing or for adding texture to the hair, or a firm hold, or for blow drying, or for creating light hold. So when it really comes down to hair products, yes, the hair product can get you hair like this, but then to back that up, it can't just be hair products. Okay, that's the one thing I want to let you all know, that you can't expect to use, have hair that's flat like this. You use a product and don't do any sort of styling, and all of a sudden it's going to be the thickest, fullest hair you've ever seen in your life. You do need to implement hair styling techniques, meaning when you're blow drying your hair, that product in the hair that you've used is there as a base to help support the style that you're looking for. So for example, if I did use one of my products, from the shampoo to say 25 spray, then the Tidal Wave, and I wanted to get some volume in there, yes, that's going to help support it, but what's going to make it even better is the blow drying technique. For example, like if I want volume, I'm going to be lifting, right? I'm going to be lifting my fingers right at the root area and using the nozzle with the blow dryer to direct that heat towards and direct that air right towards the scalp. And then that is how I'm going to, and how you are going to get that volume. So you can't just specifically rely on hair products. You have to use techniques and styling techniques as well. Now, I will say this though, like Tidal Wave, my sea salt hairspray right here, Tidal Wave. You spray this in your hair and let it air dry because of the texture of the sea salt ingredient in here as the hair dries, it will expand and you will have, you know, some natural volume. On top of that, if you then kind of really style it and work your hands through it, you will see a significant difference. So that's what's great about Tidal Wave, and I do have some exciting things about Tidal Wave coming up very soon that have been top secret, but you all know soon enough. But that's what it comes down to. So yes, hair products can make your hair fuller, can make your hair thicker, but then to back that up, you have to use the right styling tools and techniques. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.